Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking about crypto on the crypto. Now we have some terms or different terms which you can come across when you're searching about cryptocurrencies, but you do not get a clear picture or knowing what they clearly explain or what they mean. So I've tried to sit down and make research, but there are still a lot of terms which are used in cryptos which we don't understand. So I'll keep making a lot of episodes about different terms which you find in cryptos or which are explained in cryptos, but people find hard time to explain them or understand them, how they work and what they are trying to mean. Now stay with me till the end of this video. I think we'll have learned some different terms used in cryptocurrencies. Now for those who haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, we recommend you to subscribe now and also hit the like button, share this video, plus commenting down the description. Now, different terms used to explain cryptocurrencies is our topic today. We have the first term, which is called blockchain. Blockchain, it is an open source for each and every person, like internet, to search for what he or she is in need for. When you try breaking down what we call internet is the transfer of data. For you to access YouTube, for you to access WhatsApp, for you to access Telegram, all these applications are being built on something which is called internet. So internet is the transfer of data from one place or from one country or from one person to another person. The same way to blockchain. Blockchain in brief is the transfer of data through a ledger, which is a copy of information from one wallet or to another wallet, or from one website to another website, or from one group of people to. So blockchain combines all the people who has wallets or who have exchanges or who are in this world of crypto. Whatever information you are doing or whatever transaction you are doing is being recorded in this blockchain, which we call the transfer of value. So blockchain in brief is the transfer of value, and internet is the transfer of data. The second point is a ledger. Some people, I think you come across this specific term so many times. Now a ledger is a copy of information which is stored in the blockchain technology. So whatever information, let me say like a transaction, if you make a transaction in your wallet, so that transaction rotates around about 1,000,000 wallets to be confirmed for your transaction in your specific wallet also to be confirmed by the system. So if you have, let me say, blockchain wallet, for you to transfer coins from your blockchain wallet, sending them to another wallet, that means you have to have enough gas fee. But for you this transaction to be approved, that means this blockchain is going to rotate around the whole world in people's wallet who have a blockchain wallet. So it must copy information of this transaction and pasting it in every other other people's wallet who have this specific wallet, which is a blockchain wallet. So every person must get a copy of your information. So that's where this technology has went, that a ledger is a copy of information which is kept in the blockchain. We have what we call usability. In simple terms, like you are referring to a certain cryptocurrency, what does it do and what it backs up, what backs it up. Usability usually is, if it is a cryptocurrency, they will ask you what is the usability of Bitcoin, what is the usability of Ripple. If I try to explain, you'll find the usability of Ripple is banking and utilities. People in the most developed countries, you'll find they use cryptocurrencies to pay in banks, they use cryptocurrencies to pay electricity, they use cryptocurrencies to pay their bills. So that is the usability of Ripple. You'll find there is a currency called Dogecoin. the usability of Dogecoin mostly is for dog products. So if you want to buy a dog, or if you want to take the dog for medication, or if you want to buy dog, like things concerning dog products, you can pay using Dogecoin. So that is the usability of that specific cryptocurrency. So we have a little bit example. Ripple has the biggest usability through banking, like I have explained. Bitcoin has the usability as in paying utility bills, goods and services. At the moment, you can travel and go to Dubai and you buy a car physically by using your Bitcoin or Ethereum. So that means the usability of Bitcoin is a global currency whereby you can use it to pay utility bills, goods and services. Even in transport, you can you can travel from one country to another country paying your ticket using Bitcoins. So that's where the world has reached. Another point is anonymous. Anonymous, this means a cryptocurrency is not within one person but the public. Now, most of the cryptocurrencies, they are anonymous. Anonymous is, that means this cryptocurrency, the ownership of the cryptocurrency is not owned by one person or one specific company or individual. You will find most of the community or many people are owning this cryptocurrency. Why? It's anonymous. It is decentralized. So for those who have been following us, we came up teaching about all these things: decentralized cryptocurrencies, decentralized exchanges, anonymous, anonymity, all these terms. We have been uploading them in our YouTube channel. Now, if you don't know about all these terms, I'll try to break down because I'm not going to repeat them in this specific video. Go type Crypto Dave's Coin YouTube channel. Go watch all our videos. You will have a clear picture about what I'm trying to explain. The second last point is altcoins. What are altcoins? Because people confuse altcoins and tokens and cryptocurrencies. What are altcoins? An altcoin is any coin that's not Bitcoin. In brief, altcoins are coins which were created after the innovation of their godfather, which is Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency which was made. You cannot compare it to other cryptocurrencies. Now, every cryptocurrency which was formed after the formation of Bitcoin, it is an altcoin. For example, Ethereum is an altcoin. Get it? Cardano is an altcoin. Ripple. So all those are altcoins. Another thing, we have what is Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is the first and most valuable cryptocurrency launched by a man called Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. So Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency which was formed in the crypto universe, and it was being formed by a man called Satoshi Nakamoto, who came up with the idea of creating money or assets depending on the supply and demand, plus many things, utility, because they reached the moment whereby paper money, it was, there is a lot of remedies, or there is a lot of recessions affecting the paper money. So they decided to create money or to create a payment method which will have ownership on two. It can be people having ownership on their money, whereby in today's banking system you find you don't have ownership on your money. So Bitcoin was the first innovation in the cryptocurrency industry. That's why we call it the most valuable cryptocurrency in the whole world. Now, for those who have made it to the end of this video, the bonus tip we can give you is to like and subscribe, because a lot of content is still coming. We want you to be the first person to notify whenever we upload a new video explaining about cryptocurrencies, because we have just started uploading content teaching people or informing people about how cryptocurrencies work. Because now this industry is now like in 12 years, so this industry is still new. People haven't understood what's going on in the crypto industry. So this is the Crypto Days, your mentors signing out.